Hey guys, this is ArtSea, and today I'll be teaching you an intermediate move called the index Chaplin. It looks like this. It's continuous, and I've actually had a video on this before. It got taken down for no reason at all, so I'm just going to remake it right here. Also, I'm going to be using my Kershaw Luca, which I don't use that often. It's kind of fun to use with Chaplins. I'd say it's the best for that. So I'll show you fast and then I'll show you slow. So here is fast. Chaplin, you're going to hold the knife by the safe handle. That's the one without the latch. And you're going to be doing a double rollout. So that's where you go like out and out again. So you're doing a double rollout into the trick. It's the easiest way to get into the trick because you're in the perfect position with the knife like this. So the reason we have the knife like this is because we want this side, the heavier side, to be coming counterclockwise. So that creates a balance for you to be able to do the trick. If you did it the other way, with your finger like this, it'd just fly off. You're trying not to do that, so that's why a double rollout is the best way. Okay, so I understand that this is it looks simple, but it could be challenging for some of you. So I'm going to teach you some tips and tricks that I used when I was a beginner. So the first thing I'm going to advise is you're going to go like this. You're just going to spin the knife, keeping it on your finger the whole time. You see how I'm keeping it on my finger, and I'm using a lot of my wrist, and I'm trying to keep it in the same vertical plane. Like I'm not going around in a huge circle. I'm just keeping it in the same vertical plane, and I'm twisting my wrist a lot. And I have my finger out. So that is the best way to get, you know, the knife to balance on your finger. So you're just going like this originally, okay? And then you can speed it up once you have not dropped the knife. Speed it up a little bit. And what I don't want you to do is to go in a small circle like this. And watch, if you go in a small circle, the knife will fly off your hand. So I'm recommending large circles like this with your wrist pretty stationary. See how the wrist is not really going anywhere. I mean, it's rotating, but it's not moving. Okay, so once you get this, you can do a little more arm movement. And see how I'm not keeping my finger straight? My finger and this whole thing is moving in a circle. So I'm getting the whole thing to move in a circle. I'm not just going like this. I'm going like this. So maybe practice this motion. Okay, so once you get this motion down, you're going to get the trick. And you can go faster or slower, but I would say this is the fastest you can go because this is the rhythm. This is the exact rhythm. If I went faster, it would fly off. Another thing, try not to be crazy with this. Keep a medium tempo, medium speed, and relax. You know, this trick, if you're stressed out, you're just like, ah, it's just going to fly off. You don't want that. You want it to be safe. Also, this is not like a rollover. So a rollover would be like, boop, you know, going like that. And so you want it to be more, like less speedy and more into a rhythm. Yeah, so start slow, big circles, go to fast, big circles. You're never going in a tiny, tiny circle, like a tiny one like this. Don't do that. What's cool about the Chaplin is that you can do this with any finger you want, even your pinky. I'll attempt a pinky Chaplin. There you go. You can do it with your pinky, thumb. I already did a thumb Chaplin tutorial. That is up above and down in the description below. I'd learned that one right after learning this one. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below any questions you have, and I'll make sure to answer them.